As a new creator on YouTube, you need YouTube to keep recommending your videos to new people. This will help you build a community, gain watch hour, and also gain subscribers. At the long run, leads to your monetization and you start earning on YouTube. The YouTube recommendation feature is the fastest way that you can grow as a new YouTuber. Do you want YouTube to keep recommending your videos, or you notice YouTube Creator Studio that YouTube has stopped recommending your videos and you're wondering why? In these few steps I'm about to show you, I'm going to share with you on how you can help YouTube to keep recommending your videos. Number one in my list is always make people click. We all can agree that no matter how good a video is, no matter how great a video is, no matter how intriguing, how thrilling a video is, and people do not click to know to see the content in that video will not get watched. That video would go nowhere. That video would not will not give you the subscribers you are meant to get, or the watch hour you're meant to get to that video you're meant to get from that video. So the number one thing to help YouTube recommend your video is always make people watch. How do you make these people watch your video? Is by creating a great thumbnails that are very clickable. Make sure your thumbnails are always curiosity driven. One thing that has kept me in creating thumbnail is that whenever I create a thumbnail, I ask myself, if I were to be a viewer, if I were to be someone coming across this video, will I want to know what is in this video? Will I want to know, or will I just scroll past? So number one on my list is always make people click. Create a beautiful thumbnail, a eye-catching thumbnail, a clickable thumbnail, and you see people watching your video. And when people click and watch, YouTube will start recommending your videos. Number two is keep people watching. Create video that people watch for a good portion of its length. For example, if your video is 10 minutes, make sure you're creating a video that people will love to watch for like 3 minutes, 5 minutes at least. That when people watch your video for a long time or for a good portion of its length, YouTube, it sends a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm that that this video is a very interesting one. This video is the kind of video that people would like to watch more, and the YouTube algorithm recommending that videos to new people, keep pushing your video. And the more YouTube get to push and recommend your videos to people, the more you gain your subscribers, your watch hours, and your channel grow. The number three thing on my list is satisfy your viewers. Yes, make sure you're creating a video that is satisfying your viewers. Make sure that when someone watches one of your videos, I know you want to create long videos on YouTube, but no, make sure even if it's a 5, make sure that your 5 minutes is satisfying your viewers. You're satisfying the YouTube customer, because a YouTube customer is a YouTube viewer. Make sure that your 5-minute video is, instead of creating a 10-minute video that will dissatisfy your customer or will not make them will not keep them watching, make a 5 minutes video that will keep them watching to the end. And when they are done watching that video, they will click, and when they click on your timeline to watch more of those kind of videos, YouTube algorithm, and they stay to watch that kind of a video, the YouTube algorithm will keep recommending your videos to more people, because the longer they stay to watch your video, the more they click on that video. This behavior sends a signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video must be a very good one, an interesting one, that with packed with value, and the YouTube algorithm will keep recommending your videos to new people. Fourth thing I want you to know to help YouTube recommend your video is pick a niche. Especially as a new creator, make sure you're picking a niche. You picking a niche will help the algorithm to know who to recommend your videos to. If you keep today you're talking about you're doing lifestyle, tomorrow you're doing football, next tomorrow you're doing gaming, you're just all over the place, this will confuse the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm will not know who to push your videos to. And if the YouTube algorithm keep pushing your videos to the wrong people, for example, if you make lifestyle videos and the YouTube algorithm pushes your videos to someone who watches soccer, that is someone who watches football, the person will likely has a high tendency of clicking off in the next 5 or 6 seconds, and this is sending a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm will get the signal that this video is not great, this video is not worth watching, this video is not interesting, and the YouTube algorithm will just carry your video and dump somewhere. In the summary of this video, the first thing I talked about is make sure you are making people click, eye-catching thumbnail, and write great titles to help people, to make people click on your video. Number two is you making people stay to watch. You retain people. When you retain people's attention in your video, when you capture people's attention in your video, the YouTube algorithm will keep recommending your videos to more viewers, to more people, and your videos will get more views and also get more watch hours for you. Number 3 is satisfying your viewer. Make sure that whenever a viewer watches your video, that viewer will want to go to your timeline or your page and watch more of your videos. Number 5 is make sure you pick a niche, especially as a new creator. I know they tell you that you are the niche yourself, but no, as a new creator, you need a niche, and you sticking to the niche will help the YouTube algorithm define your audience clearly and push your videos to those audience. And the more they stay to watch and they click, the YouTube algorithm will keep recommending those videos to that kind of audience, to those kind of people who watches the kind of content you make. You know, you cannot send email messages or calls to YouTube algorithm to help recommend your videos. The main thing YouTube algorithm focuses on when recommending your videos to people is the viewer's behavior. So that when a viewer comes across your video, the viewer click, the viewer watch, and the viewer stays. This viewer behavior will send a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm, which in turn the YouTube algorithm will keep pushing and recommending your videos to new people. If you have gotten value from this video, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.